What is Javaburn? Well, Javaburn is an all-natural, herbal, proprietary, patent-pending coffee powder formula. And this targets the main cause of weight gain, which you might be aware of is slow metabolism. When we have a slower metabolic rate, it leads to a lot of weight gain, and that can be problematic, especially because weight gain in the abdomen, weight gain around the organs and the liver can lead to some serious complications, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol, and even some more problems that can not only hurt with weight gain, but hurt your health overall. So prevent that, Javaburn uses nutritional synergy to help you lose weight, flush out the toxins and the free radicals, activate your digestive system, and the best part is it's a great blend of antioxidants, all natural extracts, herbs, and the best ingredients possible to help you accomplish this goal. So before I get into how Javaburn works, which you might be wondering, I do want to talk about some bad people who are making dummy websites. They know that Javaburn is a great supplement and it's helping a lot of people. So they go out and make a website and you'll say, hey, wow, this website looks exactly like the real one. But the issue is that this website is completely fake and it might even have a discount that's too good to be true. So you go through and get everything and then unfortunately they never reply back. So to help you avoid this situation, I've left a link to the actual website for Javaburn in the description below, so you don't have to encounter this issue. The second thing are a lot of fake YouTube reviews of people saying, hey, I took Javaburn and for example, I was able to lose everything in 3 months and you can do it too. And let's face it, with any supplement or with anything out there in the health world, results are going to vary. Different people have different genetics, and that's just how it is. So be careful of a lot of these fake YouTube reviews and fake people who are saying they've taken it, but they have no experience or don't know exactly what Javaburn is. So how does Javaburn work? So when you're applying Javaburn to your coffee, you're applying your powder formula, it gets absorbed in your coffee, and then after you take it and consume it, it helps activate your digestive system. Once your digestive system is activated, that helps flush a lot of the toxins, pathogens, and other things that are causing weight gain. And by eliminating a lot of what we call free radicals, you're able to not only lose weight, but to have better health. And one of the plus sides with Javaburn, as I mentioned earlier, is you don't have to do a lot of strenuous working out or dieting or causing yourself to get overworked in the gym or exhausted. Now you might be saying, well, I've heard that before. I've heard advertising similar like that. And I can understand that. But how it works, if we get a little bit into the sciences, Javaburn helps block leptin receptors. Now a lot of people haven't heard of leptin receptors, or maybe they're not familiar with the concept, but leptin receptors or receptors in your brain that push a lot of cravings, to have that extra ice cream, to go get French fries in the middle of the night, to go overeat on all the wrong foods we shouldn't. And when your leptin receptors are out of balance, you get a lot of cravings, you get a lot of urges to eat the wrong types of food, which lead to weight gain and to bad health. By blocking these, Javaburn effectively helps you not only lose weight, but keep the weight off, because you're not having those cravings to eat the wrong food because your leptin receptors aren't out of balance. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great. What are the ingredients in Javaburn? As we know, supplements are only as effective as the ingredients in them. So let's go ahead and break down the most important ingredients in Javaburn. First, we have L-carnitine, which is a great amino acid for helping the fat burning process. Not only that, but it helps block those leptin receptors we talked about that cause you to have cravings for the wrong foods. Then we have chromium. This is an important trace element that not only helps suppress appetite, but helps with insulin resistance and also helps with reducing inflammation. Then we have chlorogenic acid. This is especially important for helping your blood sugar, and not only that, but it helps you stop eating those pesky carbohydrates late at night, such as those French fries or bread or the things that will cause you to gain weight, unrefined starches. And then finally, we have green tea extract. Green tea extract is well known for helping with the fat burning process, and it also helps with your blood sugar levels. So with ingredients like this, you might be wondering, well, are there any side effects? Does Javaburn constitute any side effects? And I'm happy to say, since the ingredients are all natural, herbal, amino acids, extracts, there are no side effects. Also, it's worth noting that it's completely FDA, Food and Drug Administration, approved, and it's GMP lab certified under the most strict and sterile conditions. However, with that being said, I do want to talk about a few precautions that you should take when looking at Javaburn. So if you're watching this and you're 15 or you're pregnant, please do not take this supplement. If you are taking this supplement, please follow the recommended dosage. Don't try and overdose, because that is not only dangerous, but that can lead to severe problems. Also note that results are going to vary with this supplement, as you know, and it could have different effects on each person. So one person might work for 3 months, one person might work in a month, and vice versa. Also know that if you're taking medication or you're under a specific dosage of something, please consult your doctor before taking Javaburn so you can make sure that there's no side effects or problems. And finally, one thing worth noting is that you cannot get this at general stores, grocery stores, or drug stores. It has to be bought online from the manufacturer. So with all that being said, it's very important that you know how to use Javaburn. So you just want to take 1 packet of Javaburn and mix it in with your coffee. Now, you can do this at any time of day, but specifically, it helps to do it in the morning. Just take 1 packet, mix it in with your coffee. You can take it with food or without food. But one thing that I want to mention and to stress is when you do take it, please do it consistently for 90 days, 3 months. The reason for that is you want to get the best results out of Javaburn, and you want to actually lose weight and keep the weight off. So finally, I tried to find a discount online so you could start your weight loss journey with Javaburn today. And I'm happy to say that I found an 85% discount at the official Javaburn website in the link in the description below. So I wish you the best of luck, everyone, on your weight loss and your health journey, and please take care.